Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Dominique Lee. Hi, hello. And today we going to do our brows using different brow pomade. I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pomade and the Elf is it Elf Cosmetics lock liner and brow cream in medium brown. The Anastasia Beverly Hills is the same shade. I saw some differences in the color. I believe that the Elf brow pomade looks like lighter than the Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is the Elf Cosmetics and this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills. I don't know if you can see it from there, but maybe just me, I don't know. So this one was 99 cents and this is $18. Well, so we're gonna try to see what's the difference between those both, because there's a big difference between 99 cents and $18, right? As you can see, I did my foundation and blush and highlighter and all that comes with it. I just wanted to be concentrated in the brows, so we just gonna start doing the brows. And I'm using this Anastasia Beverly Hills brush. It's number 14. And I'm brushing my hairs up. Just like that. You can use any brush you have at your home. Doesn't really matter, but this one works really good. I'm gonna draw a line over here. I'm gonna do it exactly how I do it all the time. Nothing's gonna change, just the product. Okay, so here we go. I'm not gonna breathe. A product for 99 cents, this is actually really good. I used to use my precisely brow pencil from Benefit Cosmetics, but I usually use that one when I have to really do it quick because it's easier to do with a pen. But with the brow gel, you have to be more careful and you have to be really concentrated in what you're doing, so you don't mess up, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so I see something bad. It seems like when you're working, it tends to dry when you're working, so it's just a little bit difficult to blend. And I'm using this LA Color concealer. You can use any concealer, just using this because it's cheaper. What I do is that I clean this part first. It's a pretty decent eyebrow, if you can say that. Now I'm gonna clean the brush and I'm gonna do my eyebrows with Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's clean, nothing at all, nothing at all. Pick up a little bit. And I'm gonna do the same exact step that I did in this one. Just that I have in mind that this one is my bad eyebrow, this one is my good eyebrow, if you know what I mean. Okay, I'm doing hair strokes right in this part. I want it to look like more natural over here. And draw an almost invisible line. Obviously this one looks like lighter than this one, but the product say medium brown, both. I don't really need to clean this side that much, but I'm gonna do it because then I'm just gonna look weird. I really can't see myself doing this, like looking myself in the camera, because then I'm gonna mess it up and I don't want to do that. But I want you guys to look too. So I'm like well, the last step we're gonna use is brow gel. It's not actually a brow gel. So I was talking about this Gimme Brow Volumizing Fiber Gel. This is from Benefit Cosmetics. So to be honest, like really honest, the product, the e.l.f. Cosmetics, is not bad. But like I said, it dries out when you're working with it, and it's a little difficult for you to blend the product when it dries out really fast. So, but if you just learning how to do brows, you definitely can use this one, because like I said before, but I just don't understand, because when you press the product, it's like really soft. It's like really soft, but when you're working with it, it dries out really fast. That's what is bad about this, but everything is good. And if you, like I said before, if you're just learning how to do your brows or something, you definitely can use this one, because girl, 18, and $1, there's a lot of difference. There's $17 of difference. When I started doing my eyebrows, like, I didn't even know how to do my eyebrows. I was using always the Milani Cosmetics, and it's not that bad either. So there's a lot of product that is not like that expensive, and it works really well as well. So this is that I came up with, and I really hope you guys liked it. If you guys have any question or something, just let me know down below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, please. I'm begging you. I'm begging you. I mean, I like that, but yeah, if you want to, you can do it. If not, it's okay. You don't have to. And I guess I'll see you in the next one, okay?